ओके, सबसे पहली बात क्या करना है, यू हैव टू समथिंग while smiling you have to speak. Someone go there and make like what are right. Go anywhere. First of all, click one kind of picture in front of audience. Just today I'm here for telling you some tips and technique how to give your speech anywhere. Like today you speak something about technology, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, of course you are saying right. Okay, so if you go anywhere, so you don't have to speak like that. I'm going to talk about technology. Okay, first you have to feel something relaxed. By the way, some steps you have for sharing any topics. You have to click on one kind, not by using your phones. You have to click in your mind. You have to picturize. Because of this, you can make yourself something more confident people. And you have to think in your mind, yes, everyone listening me. Yes, everyone understanding my topics. First point is that. And I listen to many of people when they first of all go there and start जो भी गलती होगी क्षमा करना. These things you have to avoid first of all. You never speak. Don't speak कोई बात ही नहीं. You never speak this kind of lines. क्योंकि ये सब आपको पहले से ही डिमोटिवेट कर देते हैं. So you don't have to follow this kind of lines. Okay, मान लीजिए if you go anywhere for presenting yourself, so by the way, if you have any message, any quote, any thought, so first of all in the starting you have to speak. In starting you have to speak for grab the people. क्योंकि लोग क्यों आपको सुनना चाहेंगे? Like you are talking about technology, am I right? Okay, everyone know that this thing, that thing, this thing, everything by using technology is here. But how the people listen? Why people listen you? You have to provide some reason. Listen my word, then I will give you. Okay, you have to share one kind of message, your quote, your thought. And second point, you have to greet. First, one message, one thought, one quote. इसका मतलब एक ही होता है. कोई भी चीज़ आप बोल सकते हैं. पहले ये चीज़ें आप करेंगे. ये नहीं मैटर करेगा आप हिंदी बोलेंगे या फिर इंग्लिश बोलेंगे. क्योंकि लोगों को ग्रेप्ट करना है तो पहले तो ज़बरदस्त बात बोलो. अब ये नहीं पहले गए तो मन से क्या बोल दे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. बातें वो बोलो कि लोग सुने आपको. उसके बाद सेकेंड पॉइंट ग्रीट करना वो पे एनर्जी के साथ में. अब वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. एनर्जी होनी चाहिए बात में. अब जब तक एनर्जी, हाँ दैट्स गुड, जब तक एनर्जी आपकी बात में नहीं होगी लोग एनर्जी नहीं दिखाएंगे. तो एनर्जी अपने आप में डालो. पहले क्या करो, अपने आप में डालो. पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप, हाँ कोट एंड मैसेज एनीथिंग. Second step, greet. And third step, you have to just introduce yourself. Not a full, my name is this, I belong there, and all the things you have to introduce. No, it's not right. You have to, in a short way, introduce yourself. First one thing is required. My name is this. जो भी आपका नाम है, you have to use anything. My name is this is it's me. और कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं as your wish. And according to place you have to choose. According to place you have to use. And second one, you have to like tell where do you belong. आप कहाँ से आते हैं ये बताना है. And third step, what are you doing? That's it. उसके बाद so that's all about me. Now उसके बाद अपने टॉपिक के ऊपर जंप करना है, लेकिन ये नहीं बताना now I'm going to share about this topic and I'm going to tell you about this topic. Wait some time. Everyone know that about the topic. First क्या करेंगे? Okay, second, third, and on the third point you have to follow introduction. In introduction, name, belong, and what are you doing. Okay, and next step you have to jump on your topic, but you have to sometime wait. Like you have to ask, you know that what's going on in your society. I think we are surrounding only by using technology. Everyone is using one thing that people cannot avoid. Like it has many kind of advantage as well as many kind of disadvantages also available. You know that? Excuse me, you know that? No one knows here. So that's why I am here for telling something about technology. You know that this fan is working because of technology. This mic is working because of technology. This LED TV is working because of technology. This phone, this camera is working because of technology. All the thing guys depend on technology. अब आपका टॉपिक टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकता है, कोई भी टॉपिक हो सकता है. एनी टॉपिक इफ यू हैव like this kind of thing you have to use, and then after you have to start speaking. अब जंप करना अपने टॉपिक के कंटेंट पे। कहाँ पे? अब कंटेंट कुछ भी हो, टॉपिक टेक्नोलॉजी, टॉपिक एआई हो सकता है, टॉपिक सोशल मीडिया हो सकता है, टॉपिक इन्वायरमेंट हो सकता है, टॉपिक एनी टॉपिक लाइक बुक हो सकता है, स्टूडेंट के बारे में हो सकता है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन हो सकता है, कुछ भी टॉपिक आपके पास हो सकता है। सो दिस कंटेंट यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द मिडल साइड, यू हैव टू स्पीक and just you have to jump up, then you have to end up in a good way. You don't have to say that's all about my topic, that's it. That is not right. First one message, quote, anything हो सकता है हिंदी या फिर इंग्लिश, there is no matter. Second one greet. Third one fourth one some importance, tell some importance of this topic. Then after you have to jump on your content, you have to speak, and in the last if you have any message, any quote, anything in a middle side, in the last one you have to speak that. Okay, it's one kind of dialogue. Okay, इसे डायलॉग बोल सकते हैं, मतलब थोड़ी बड़ी सी बात को कम बातों में बोलना ही डायलॉग कहलाता है। तो इसे बात बोलेंगे, लोग सुनना और अच्छे से स्टार्ट कर देंगे। ओके, और जो भी चीज़ें आपने स्टार्टिंग में इंपॉर्टेंस बता रखा है उन सभी को मस्ट है उस टॉपिक में इंक्लूड होना चाहिए। ठीक है, अपनी कुछ बता दिया उसमें इंपॉर्टेंस और अपने टॉपिक में है ही नहीं, तो ध्यान रखना जो इंपॉर्टेंस बताया, जो एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज बता रहे हैं उसको अपने टॉपिक में भी इंक्लूड करना है। इतनी बात डन है, कोई डाउट? ओके, उसके बाद आपको इन डेप्थ बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से करना है। कैसे करेंगे बोलेंगे? सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माई टॉपिक। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर बीइंग अ ग्रेट ऑडियंस ऑफ द डे। वंस अगेन थैंक यू so much. I hope you understood whatever I said to you. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, everyone understood. So that's all about my topic. Once again, a million times thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay, best of luck.